Thank you so much for stopping by and welcome. Today I'm going to be cutting wood for the very first time using my Cricut Maker. I'm going to be making a custom named wood puzzle for my son. If you would like to see how I did this, please stay tuned. So starting out in Cricut Design Space, you're just going to click on images. Inside of images, you're just going to search for a rectangle. Once your name is centered, you're going to want to hit slice at the bottom of the screen, and then you're going to want to erase everything that's behind the rectangle as you see me doing on the screen. So because of the way my wood is shaped, I am going to be doing the cutouts on two separate mats. So I'm going to separate one rectangle and one name to a different color so that they separate onto two different mats. That I have is 4 inches wide, so I'm just going to be turning the rectangle and placing the letters in a line just so that when it cuts out, it's actually cutting out on the wood. And I'm going to be doing the exact same thing for both mats. So as you can see, I already used this wood to do the first cut. I am on my second cut. Before placing the wood inside your Cricut maker, you're going to want to make sure you tape it down. I am using painter's tape to tape down my wood. Everything to the Cricut machine to be cut. The machine told me that it was going to take 30 minutes and 14 passes. I found that after the 9th pass it was good to go, like the wood was popping up. I could tell it was already cut out. So I just went ahead and paused the machine and pulled it out, and it seemed to work for what I was doing after 9 cuts. So once everything was cut, this is what I had. I am going to go ahead and glue the 2 rectangles together, and I'm going to glue the letters together just to make them thicker. I am using some glue that I already had. You can use wood glue. I probably would prefer to use wood glue, but since this is for my son, I just used some glue that I already had on hand. Once everything was glued and it had dried, it turned out like this. I like it just the way it is, but because I'm making this for my son, I am going to go ahead and paint it to make it colorful. Painting both sides of the letters. I just let them dry on one side, flipped them over, and painted the other side. So once everything was dry, this is how it turned out. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Until next time, take care.